Now we are going to set up a Python in Windows, and we will also install one IDE which is PyCharm uh, to code, compile, and run programs. So what you have to do, just go to website Python, download the latest version, click, and here are the list Python versions you can get. Here it is. Okay, you can click download and install. So whichever version you want, prefer latest one. So I'm using this one, Python 3.11.01 amd.exe. Okay, so I have already downloaded. You can get it from here. Okay, so just install it. Here it is popped out that install now and use admin privileges while installing py.exe, and just check it also, add python ext to the path. So it will automatically add the path of the python compiler to the environment variables, just adding over here. Now click install now. Okay, it is installed successfully. So after installing it, you need a IDE also. So for the python, the best IDE is PyCharm. Just type PyCharm. Okay, or download PyCharm. So you get to the you will get to the download page where you have to choose the operating system: Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So after choosing your preferred operating system, just go down below. Here is PyCharm, the only Python IDE you need. Just go down. We will install a community edition. I think this one is okay. We need a. It is not. Just wait. PyCharm community download. Click. Free forever plus 1 month pro included. Okay, this one is PyCharm only. Okay, so it will start downloading PyCharm 2025. Okay, I have cancelled because I have already downloaded. Okay, so now get back to the installation. This one is. Now click yes. Now click next. Next, create a desktop shortcut. Add open folder as project. Create association, and also click all these for JetBrains install. Just wait for some time. Okay, I want to manually reboot it. Okay, just close all these things. Open PyCharm. Skip imports and create a new project. Okay, just choose the directory where you want to install. Just name the file test and just create into the E drive. Okay, that's it. So to run the Python program, we need a virtual environment. So once you create a project, it will automatically add the virtual environment. Okay, so we have to also uh, add the interpreter. Once you create any project, it will automatically set the Python which you have installed as an interpreter. Okay, so create a one file. Okay, uh, main. Okay, it is already selected as a Python file, so just click it, Python file. Create a main method first. So type main and just print uh, hello world. Okay, just run it. It is printing hello world. So here you can see that we have successfully installed the PyCharm also. Just enjoy. Thank you.